Volcanoes are among the most feared natural phenomena that humanity has ever encountered, and their devastating eruptions have left an indelible mark in our collective memory, from the destruction of Pompeii to the more recent eruption of Mount Ibu in Indonesia. However, while volcanoes can pose a serious threat to human life and property, they also play a crucial role in shaping our planet. In fact, it is thanks to volcanoes that life on Earth has flourished and continues to thrive today. So in this video, we're going to take a closer look at these fascinating geological wonders and explore the many ways in which they shape our world. As we all know, volcanoes are formed when molten rock known as magma from deep within the Earth's core makes its way to the surface. When the magma reaches the surface, it erupts as lava, ash, and gases, which can cause widespread destruction. But did you know that volcanic eruptions are actually one of the primary drivers of the formation of new land? In fact, it is estimated that about 90% of the new land created on the Earth's surface comes from volcanic activity. One of the most well-known examples of this is the island of Surtsey in Iceland, which was formed by a volcanic eruption in 1965. The eruption lasted for several months and created a new island that was over 7 square kilometers in area. Since then, the island has become home to a variety of plants and animals, including rare bird species that were previously unknown to science. Similarly, the Hawaiian Islands are the result of volcanic activity that has been happening over a period of millions of years. Each island is a shield volcano formed by the accumulation of layers of lava. Volcanic activity is not just responsible for creating new land, but also for shaping the landscapes that we see around us today. For example, the famous Grand Canyon was actually formed by the uplift of volcanic activity in the region. Over millions of years, this uplift created a series of plateaus and tilted blocks of rock, which were then eroded by wind and water to form the canyon we see today. In a similar way, the distinctive jagged peaks of Mount Fuji in Japan were also shaped by volcanic activity. Mount Fuji is actually a stratovolcano, which is a type of volcano that is characterized by its steep conical shape. The layers of ash and lava that make up Mount Fuji's structure were deposited during numerous eruptions over the course of thousands of years. These eruptions not only created the mountain's iconic peak, but also contributed to the fertile soil that is found in the surrounding areas. This has made Mount Fuji an important agricultural region, as well as a popular tourist destination. In addition to their role in shaping the physical landscape, volcanoes also have a profound impact on the biological diversity of the planet. It might seem counterintuitive, but volcanic eruptions can actually help to create the conditions necessary for life to flourish. One of the most well-known examples of this is the so-called Ring of Fire, which is a horseshoe-shaped belt around the Pacific Ocean that is home to a large number of volcanoes. The soils in this region are often rich in minerals and nutrients, making them ideal for growing crops, such as rice, bananas, and coffee. The climate in this region is also particularly favorable for agriculture due to the amount of rainfall and temperature. This has made the Ring of Fire one of the most densely populated and economically productive regions on the planet. Even in areas where volcanic eruptions have occurred, the resulting ash and lava can actually improve the quality of the soil, making it more fertile for farming. For example, the fertile soil in the Ngorongoro crater in Tanzania is the result of volcanic activity that occurred hundreds of thousands of years ago. This has allowed the crater to support a large population of wildlife, including endangered species such as the black rhinoceros. Similarly, the soils in the Napa Valley in California are the product of volcanic activity that took place in the region millions of years ago. The minerals and nutrients in these soils have made the Napa Valley one of the most renowned wine-producing regions in the world. But perhaps the most significant impact that volcanoes have had on life on Earth is the role they played in the origin of our own species. According to some scientists, the supervolcanic eruption of Toba in Indonesia, which occurred about 74,000 years ago, may have caused a genetic bottleneck in humans. This means that the population of humans at that time may have been drastically reduced, possibly to just a few thousand individuals. This eruption was one of the largest volcanic eruptions in history, and it is thought to have had a profound impact on the global climate, leading to an ice age. Despite this, humans were able to survive and eventually repopulate the Earth. Some scientists believe that the small population size that resulted from the Tova eruption may have actually been a driving force in human evolution, leading to increased genetic diversity and adaptability. This adaptability has allowed humans to thrive in a wide variety of environments and has been essential to our survival as a species. Another interesting aspect of volcanoes is their ability to influence the composition of the Earth's atmosphere. Volcanic eruptions can release large amounts of gases into the atmosphere, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. These gases can have a significant impact on the Earth's climate and weather patterns. For example, water vapor is a powerful greenhouse gas, and its presence in the atmosphere can trap heat and warm the Earth's surface. Carbon dioxide is another greenhouse gas that can contribute to the warming of the planet, while sulfur dioxide and hydrogen sulfide can reflect sunlight and help to cool the Earth's surface. The balance between these different gases and their effects on the atmosphere can have a major impact on the Earth's climate. One of the most well-documented examples of this is the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines in 1991. The eruption released large amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, which led to a global cooling effect. The following year, the average global temperature fell by about 0.5 degrees Celsius, which was the largest decrease on record at that time. In recent years, scientists have also discovered that volcanoes can play a role in the formation of clouds, particularly in the tropics. Volcanic particles in the atmosphere can act as condensation nuclei, which are small particles that provide a surface for water vapor to condense around. This can lead to the formation of clouds and potentially affect precipitation patterns. In conclusion, volcanoes are truly remarkable geological formations that have a profound impact on our planet. They are responsible for shaping the Earth's surface, influencing the quality of our soils, and even playing a role in the origin of life itself. While volcanic eruptions can be dangerous and destructive, it is important to remember that volcanoes are also a vital part of the Earth's natural processes. They are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world, and serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things on this planet. So, the next time you hear about a volcanic eruption, take a moment to appreciate the incredible forces that are at work, and the important role that volcanoes play in shaping our world. Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test. How much do you remember about volcanoes? Take our quiz and find out. For each correct answer, you'll earn 1 point, and don't worry if you don't get them all right the first time. You can always go back and review the video to learn more about volcanoes. So, are you ready to get started? And thank you for watching. We hope that you learned something new and enjoyed the journey through the fascinating world of volcanoes. If you want to learn more about our planet and the amazing phenomena that occur on it, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.